Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today is the day I'm going to finally be taking this cancer out of my PC. I've got a new case, got a new motherboard, and that's about it really. I've just got a new fucking case and motherboard and fuck all else. So I'm going to be taking this motherboard out, taking the CPU and the RAM cards out of this motherboard, keeping the graphics card, keeping them, putting this motherboard back in the original case that the PC came in originally. And then I'm going to be building it all into the brand new case. So yeah, I'm going to time lapse this part, and when I move on to the next part I'll let you guys know. So yeah, enjoy. Right guys, so what I'm going to do here, I've got some alcohol wipes. I'm going to clean off the CPU. I'm going to leave it in this motherboard for now until I've got the new motherboard and the new case prepped. So I'm going to clean this up now and get all the cooling paste off it that's literally only been on about a week. Right guys, that is as clean as I'm getting it for now. So I'm going to move this out of the way. We're going to start setting up the other case and start prepping that. Right guys, so this is the new case. It is a Corsair Carbide 400C. You can have 340mm fans or 120mm on the front and on the top. And on the rear it's 120mm. But on the rear I think I'm going to put the water cooler, or I'm either going to stick it on the front depending on how much room there is. I'm going to clean this case up. I'm going to take the boxes out. I'm going to put the hard drives in space and put the power supply in and then leave it at that. And then stop it. Right guys, so this is my new motherboard. It's an MSI Z97 Gaming Free, as it can just say on the box. It looks nice, comes with a lot of shit I've never heard of before. But we're going to take it out now. Here it is. You can't see it much. I'm going to keep it on top of the box. Get these bits out. Just keep them away. You get a nice little badge for to stick on the side of your case. You get some cable, SATA cables. You get whatever that Molex thing is. A CD with all drivers on. Some sticky labels, the I/O shield, and a little "I'm not here" and "sorry, busy gaming" thing in a book. So the CD we're not going to be using. We need the I/O shield. We're going to be putting that in, and we need the SATA cables, and that's about it. So I'm going to close this box up, put the motherboard on top. Right, whatever, that'll do. And we're going to take it out. I've not actually took this out of the bag yet, but this is my first time. There you go. This is it. Black and red MSI, sexy as fuck, a load of shit that I've never heard of on it. HDMI, display port. So we're going to be taking the processor out of the other motherboard and sticking it in this one. If I do this, if I move this little lever, lift it up, and then carefully take out the other processor. It's an i5 4460. What we need to do is line up the slots at the top, put it on top carefully, make sure it's in place. Now the top of this is going to fling off if it's in place. There you go, like so. So now the processor is in place, it is clean. And all we need to do now is add on the back plate, so I can put the cooler. So it's a good thing I got a spare back plate when I got my CPU cooler, because you don't get one with this. Here it is, little metal back plate. Which way it goes on. The little slots want kind of moving down, I think. Yeah, just a little bit. This is harder than what it looks, believe it or not. That's what she said. Everyone's just dying for laughing background like, but yeah. But yeah, that's awkward as fuck for get in. You get one in and the other one comes out. There you go, it goes in like that. But I need to take off the M3 tape off the back of this. Like so. And hopefully it doesn't stick first time. There you go, just stick some pressure on there. And that should hold it into place. There it is, now got your parts for your water cooler. So while we're here, we're going to stick in the RAM cards. I don't know what order the RAM cards go in, because they can only go in certain slots. And then we're going to fit this to the case. So yeah. Right guys, so here we have a HyperX Fury. I need to get another 3 of these. And a Samsung, whatever it is that came with the other case. So I'm going to put one in DIMM 2. And I'm going to put the other one in DIMM 4. Just wait for that little click. And then put this one in DIMM 4. There you go, they're both in place. Now what we need to do, we need to put the I/O shield in the case and line up the motherboard and screw it in. Right guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to install the I/O shield into the back of the PC. Going to make sure I do it the right way though. And it pops out. There you go, that's in place. Now what we need to do is fit the mother of all boards.
What about that one? The shitload of graphics card slots.
I know, right?
Fucking hell.
Doesn't support SLI though, but it supports Crossfire.
Right guys, so this is as far as it goes for now. The PC is currently built, but the only problem is the camera messed up, so I didn't record part 2. So in the next video I will show you an update of it, what it all looks like, what I did for complete it, and what still needs to be done with it. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please drop a like down below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.